suporta sa women's kababaninhan kag kabataan.
Sa kada bulan kong honorarium, iparte ni sir ko ang 1,000 nga i-purchase ko kabulong para sa mga minor na mabalatian.
Pamangkutanon sang Banwa started last 2004. It was just a simple candidates forum. All candidates for the local positions will present and commit to the people their platform of government.
Ang andong po sa barangay, manubangan paton nga school day sa Tapakon.
Kung sino man nga mga pangayaw nga magguba katon nga manami nga pagpuyo di sa Tapakon, ipapriso taran.
Insat lang serbisyo ko. Basta serbisyo sa mulyo, ari ako.
It was part of the program that every candidate will sign a manifesto that they will perform all their commitment.
Sulat ka mo pamangkot nyo.
The hardest part is how you will commit yourself as a politician to be subject of criticism.
Kad ako magabulig, magasuporta sa eskwelahan, paagi sa pagbulig sa mga indigents naton. But sa akon nga honorarium ako mabuon.
Piraged sa imo nga honorarium. 1,000, 2,000 o tanan mo honorarium?
Sa 30 kada tuig.
Sa 30 ka indigents, piraged imo nga tao.
Di ba 30? Sig ano kumudaan? Ha?
Yourself will be the subject of scrutiny of your performance. When you have a mistake, it can be really seen on stage.
Kung ako ang inyo pilion nga punong barangay bilang nanay, sorry ha, bilang kagawad, no? Sorry.
The performance of your appointive officials will be also subject to scrutiny. Like for example, before our medical doctor used to board in the rural health unit. He's using the health center as his house. We don't know that the people don't like that kind of practice. I pulled out the medical doctor from the health center. And employees were only using logbooks. The actual time is already 8:30, but when you see the logbook, it's 7:15. So we have to remove the logbook and we have to purchase a bandy clock. And some during office hours, the employees are having their manicure, pedicure, playing cards, mahjong during office hours, and they are not in the office. You have to commit to them that you have to erase that kind of practices in the government. It's a check and balance from the people.
Kag sa amon nga mga elected officials nangin mas aware sila kung ano ila himuon kay balaan nila nga ginalantaw sila sa mga tawo. So kung medyo tiko ka, kulbaan ka gid kay next pamangkuton ka gid siya. Ano ba lang nahimo mo? Ano ba lang way mo ginhimo? You promise this, you promise that. Ano lang ang nahimo mo? Kung nga kadamo sa way mo nahimo.
There was a survey by iCode NGOs that the services of the municipality was only satisfactory when it comes to delivery of social services. So number one, we address the problem on roads. So we have to repair everything. The problem on health services, there are a lot of people who cannot go to the hospital for medical needs. So we enroll all indigent families to PhilHealth program. And in 2008, we were number 1 in universal enrollment of indigents in the whole province of Iloilo. On education, they are clamoring for the quality of teaching of our teachers. When I reviewed the system, we didn't have a district supervisor. We didn't have a principal. So I asked the help of the Department of Education to assign a district supervisor and a principal to manage our high school. The income of the municipality was only around 200,000 a year based on the citizens' query. Yung question, bakit mababa yung collection? So I asked them, do you really want to raise revenue? They said, if you can also promise that what you are generating from that revenue should go back to the people, why not? And I was really afraid because in 2010, there's another election. I have very high reservations on raising revenues. But I gambled on that commitment from the panel. So what I did, I again issued a memorandum to all business owners, stall owners in the municipality to register. If not, I will close them within the month. First operation was the market. Unfortunately, it burned down. So we made a new public market. There's a rate. Then we religiously collect every market day and every month the stall fee. Then on the tricycad, the Sangguniang Bayan regulated the operation of the tricycad. Every year, they made it a point to register themselves as duly registered business in the municipality. Now we have a local income of 2 million.
Kanami lang gid kay because of that ang mga tawo nangin aware kung ano gid lang ilang role. Ang pagpanghimanwa hindi lang naya sa mga officials, but then dapat involved ang mga tawo for us to have a harmonious relationship. Pag mas nami ang progress, kundi lang ang officials ang nag-work, but then ang mga tawo man, they would help sa hatag in order nga ma-resolve kung ano man yung problems that we have.
Based on the pamangkutanon sa Banwa, I can make my platform of government for them. The pamangkutanon sa Banwa serve as a baton, a whip, and you should not wait for election to discipline you. But in a span of 6 months, the people are already there to correct you. The relationship of the CSOs and the LGU is very strong here in the municipality.
Convent nga Kagawan. Ano na ang status ng poste sa Zone 6?
Magamulat-ulat lang kita, kay magadugang kita yan ng mga poste.
Thank you, Kit.
Kung dati, bigay lang ng bigay ng ang daming promises, ngayon kukunti na lang. Because they are afraid that once elected into office, they would be subject to scrutiny. And eventually, pag hindi nila na-fulfill yung kanilang promises, hindi na sila mananalo in the next elections. And there were officials na ang daming binibigay na promises na hindi na-fulfill. For me, fortunately, natalo sila sa last elections. And for us citizens, ito yung magandang indication that pamangkutanan sa Banwa is really working. Dahil makikita mo na non-performing officials who were really not elected in the last elections.